Welcome back to Hack Trip Easy, where we help you travel smarter, not harder. Security lines can be long and tedious, but with these simple tips you can save time and avoid stress at the airport. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more travel hacks and tips. Let's dive in. Travelers should strategically assess security lines upon arrival. Lines with frequent business travelers may proceed more swiftly. Business travelers are typically familiar with security protocols. Lines with families might also be faster due to assistance provided. Families often receive help with children and belongings, streamlining the process. Choosing an appropriate line can potentially save time during airport security. Efficient pre-checkpoint preparation is crucial for a smoother security screening. Wearing easy-to-remove shoes helps expedite the process. Avoiding bulky clothing minimizes screening complications. Keeping electronics and liquids accessible further streamlines the security check, reducing potential delays. The 3-1-1 rule governs the transportation of liquids in carry-on baggage. All liquids must be placed in containers that are 3.4 ounces, 100 milliliters, or less. These containers must then be sealed inside a single, quart-sized, clear plastic bag. Placing the bag at the top of carry-on facilitates easy removal for security screening. TSA PreCheck is beneficial for frequent travelers seeking expedited security screening. Enrollees are allowed to keep shoes, belts, and light jackets on during screening. Laptops and liquids can remain inside bags, further streamlining the process. This expedited screening process is especially helpful during peak travel periods. Arriving early at the airport is highly recommended for a smoother travel experience. For domestic flights, aim to arrive at least 2 hours before the scheduled departure time. For international flights, it's best to arrive 3 hours prior to departure. This extra time allows for unexpected delays, such as longer security lines. Arriving early reduces stress and minimizes the risk of missing your flight. Selecting the correct security line is crucial for minimizing wait times. Proper pre-packing of luggage streamlines the screening process. Strict compliance with liquid regulations prevents delays and potential confiscation. Utilizing TSA PreCheck offers a significantly faster and smoother security experience. Now you're ready to tackle airport security like a pro. If you found these tips helpful, please like, subscribe, and follow Hack Trip Easy for more travel hacks. Safe travels and enjoy your trip!